What is the name of the phase when the moon is between the earth and the sun and we can't see it from earth? New moon. What is the name of the phase when the entire face of the moon is illuminated and visible from earth? Full moon. What phenomenon does the moon help regulate on earth? Ocean tides. What is the name of the surface layer of the moon? Regolith. What is the name of the first transport vehicle used by astronauts to navigate the moon? Lunar roving vehicle. What causes tides on Earth? The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating bulges of water on the sides of the Earth facing the moon and the opposite side. What is the main theme of International Moon Day? Exploration. Was Buzz Aldrin was the first man on the moon? No. What country launched the Apollo 11 mission? USA. What committee played a role in proposing Moon Day to the UN? Corpus.